You already used artificial intelligence today, even if you didn't realize it. Artificial intelligence is not just future technology. It is already part of our everyday life. Let's look at some simple, real-world examples of how AI helps us daily. When you unlock your phone using face recognition, artificial intelligence is working in the background. It analyzes your facial features and compares them with stored data to confirm your identity. When you open YouTube, AI studies what videos you watch, how long you watch them, and what you skip. Based on this behavior, it recommends videos you are likely to enjoy. Google Maps uses artificial intelligence to predict traffic conditions. It analyzes real-time data from millions of users to suggest the fastest route. Email services use AI to detect spam messages. By learning from previous emails, AI automatically filters unwanted content before it reaches your inbox. Online shopping platforms also use AI. When you search or buy a product, AI recommends similar items based on your interests and behavior. Voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa use artificial intelligence to understand your voice. They process your speech, identify your intent, and respond with relevant information. Banks use AI to detect fraud. If a transaction looks unusual, AI systems quickly flag it to protect users from financial loss. All these examples show one thing clearly. Artificial intelligence is not replacing humans. It is helping humans work faster, make better decisions, and live more efficiently. Understanding how AI is used in daily life helps you stay prepared for the future of technology. If you enjoy simple and clear tech explanations, subscribe to the channel for more videos.